Hello and welcome to another interesting episode of the Mshel Real Estate Show, a show which gets to talk about hot topics in the real estate sector. I remain your humble host, Uzamaka Okori. Did you get to watch the previous episode of the Mshel Real Estate Show? If you did not, you will miss a lot because we had a one-on-one chat with the General Managing Director of Mshel Homes Limited, where he shared his success secrets with us. Go back and watch that episode. With me today is the beautiful Miss Jemima Borough. She is the head of marketing, Mshel Homes Limited. You're welcome to the show, Ma. Thanks for having me. Miss Jemima, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and what motivates you?
Thank you very much for that question. So my name is Jemima Borough, and I am a realtor, I'm a marketer, and I'm a human resource personnel. I had a degree in philosophy in the University of Abuja, and also I had my MBA in Dangote Business School, where I majored in human resource. What motivates me? Wow, this is very personal to me because my greatest passion in life is to help people, to help the poor, to give them a very good livelihood. And this is what puts me on my feet every day, starting from my immediate family, because I know that I have to be better for them. Inherent in every woman is a generation. If I fail to do my part, I know a lot of generations would also fail. So what motivates me and keeps me at night and wake up every morning is the fact that I know I need to be better for the people that are coming after me. So I derive my joy, I derive my satisfaction in seeing other people happy. This is what makes me be better and impact my generation. Thank you.
Of all the careers in the world, why marketing? Because you agree with me that a lot of ladies will not choose marketing as their career path. They'll rather go for, let's say, customer service, something not challenging as marketing. So why marketing?
Thank you very much. A lot of people have asked me that question over the years, and I would always say that marketing is the most rewarding, but the most difficult. Now, I have done a research on the most successful and wealthiest people across the world, the likes of Bill Gates, Elon Musk, the likes of Aliko Dangote, and I've seen one common factor in them. They were all marketers. And I thought to myself, because I want to achieve the same success and wealth these people have achieved, and I said I'll have to be a marketer. That is why I took the challenge to go into marketing as a career, because I've also found out that marketing, you have to be like a people's person. I am a people's person. I love relationships. And let me tell you something I found out recently. Relationship is something that you can live off. It's a stream of income. I always tell my friends, you can live off it.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. As you can see, Miss Jemima is a goal-getter. She is impact-driven. I'm inspired.
Thank you very much.
We know that marketing has a lot of obstacles. Can you share with us the little obstacles you faced in marketing real estate? Because telling someone to come and buy a house of, let's say, 50 to 100 million, you agree with me, it's a bit challenging. So how do you face these challenges?
I can tell you that it's not easy.
Yeah.
Marketing real estate comes with a lot of challenges. And of course, as a core marketer, you can agree with me that like a lifestyle towards right now and having these challenges. One of the challenges I would say is time consuming, right? Real estate, buying a home is not some grocery shopping, right? So it's something that you have to make strict decisions, like disciplined decisions for you to get a home. Now, you see that you've taken clients to inspections, you've marketed back and forth, and still they are not closing the deal. You have to be very patient to ensure that you close the deal at the end of the day. When you're coming to meet someone as a stranger for the first time to market the property to the person, you expect to be embarrassed so that you don't get shocked at the end of the day. So this is like our new normal as we go out to market. Then I'll also say that we have a lot of time wasters in this business.
Absolutely.
Because people that don't even have the buying power to buy real estate also want to engage your efforts and your time. So you keep going back and forth. At the end of the day, they don't buy. So these are time wasters that we also meet in the course of our business.
Yeah.
So these are the challenges. And of course, it only takes a very smart and good company to be able to thrive in the face of all of these challenges. And Mshel Homes, of course, is one of it.
Absolutely.
One of the challenges I would also say is the economic challenge, where in Nigeria, of course, we have the inflation and the deflation periods. So it gives a lot of fluctuation in the real estate markets because a lot of people have their times and seasons where they key into properties. If the economy is good, they key into it. If it's not, they don't. So that is one of the challenges we face as marketers, because company, of course, expects that you are always on your top, regardless the deflation or the inflation.
And that is what we are doing presently in Mshel Homes, to say that we'll mitigate even
The downtimes of the real estate sector to ensure that we also get results from it. Thank you.
Absolutely. Ms. Jemima talked about time wasters, but you agree with me that some time wasters eventually become customers, right?
I agree with you. That's why the factor of patience is very important. I always tell my guys that do not throw away any prospects, any clients that you've been following up on, because you don't know when they will come around to close this deal. So you can keep doing like a follow-up on a daily basis on them. Yes, I agree with you.
Thank you so much. We'll be going on a short commercial break for now, and when we come back, Ms. Jemima is going to be telling us how to make money in real estate. I'm sure you do not want to miss that. Don't forget to hit the like button and also click on the notification bell so that you will get notified when we are live. You're welcome back to the Mshel Real Estate Show. Ms. Jemima was about to tell us how to make money in real estate. How can people key into the projects Mshel Homes offer, and how can they make money? Just tell us how to make money. What to make this money?
Okay, thank you very much for that question, because a lot of people would like to know how to make more money, and real estate is one of it. Mshel Homes gives everyone an opportunity to invest in real estate, and this would provide you a very comfortable and good livelihood. Now we have investment opportunities across Abuja, in Lugbe, in Kiami, in Karsana, in Asokoro, in Maitama. There is something for everyone. Our value propositions are flexible payment plan. Regardless of your income and budgets, there is something for you in Mshel Homes. So ranging from 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, you can own a property with a convenient payment plan. Secondly, we have good documentation of our properties. We don't just buy a property for buying sake. We do our due diligence for us to give you correct documentation so you can buy your property and go to bed. Thirdly, we have strategic locations for our properties. You can be sure to have a good location for whatever property you're buying from Mshel Homes. We sell peace of mind to you, so you buy and you go to bed.
Thank you so much for that, Ms. Jemima. You said something about documentation. I heard complaints of a lot of people saying they got a particular property, and after some time, either the FCDA or AMAC, they just came and they demolished that property, or they told them to move.
So what we do in Mshel Homes is that we take our time to do our due diligence before we buy any property. So we see land and we like it, we take the documents and we go to agents where you can check proper documentation of any land. We do that. If the documentations are very correct, we go ahead to do the legal documentations as well. Then we can now start the process of the agreements and start selling the properties. That is what we do. So our clients are safe to know that we are giving them a land that has proper documentation. Yes. So my advice to those that want to buy a property is take your time to do your own due diligence, regardless of whether the company has done theirs or not. Do yourself a favor. Take the documents from the company and go to agents. Let them verify that these documents are legit before you venture into any property, so you can have peace of mind. Thank you.
With Mshel Homes, we sell peace of mind. So you can be rest assured that if you're purchasing a property from Mshel Homes, the documentations are correct. So many people think to key into real estate is very expensive, but you agree with that. So all people can join money and key into a particular property. And
Yes,
on that.
yes, you're very correct. Let me give you a clear example. In Mshel Homes, 3 staff, I was among them, have come together because we didn't have so much money to buy a property worth 4.5 million. So we came together with our funds and we got this property. And this property, as I speak to you, is going for 7.5 million. Now, the interest in it, if we have sold it, will be shared amongst us. We're not limiting ourselves because we don't have the complete money. There is something for everyone, like I said, and there is a way to go about this thing. So you can also do same.
Thank you so much for that. I'm sure Ms. Jemima has been able to demystify, the myths surrounding real estate and how to invest in real estate. So what you should be doing now is calling the numbers on your screen to know how you can key into any of our projects. In the next 5 years, Ms. Jemima, where do you see yourself? And also, where do you see Mshel Homes Limited?
My goals, my personal goals align with that of Mshel Homes because I have seen Mshel Homes to be one of the companies that will help me to achieve my own dreams. So I am ready to go as far as Mshel Homes is going because I know Mshel Homes is not just a now company, it's a company that wants to create impact in all strata. You will see us everywhere in 5 years.
Finally, we have to let Ms. Jemima go because she has to go and close those deals for Mshel Homes.
You can be sure.
And this is where we draw the curtain for this episode of the Mshel Real Estate Show. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media handles at Mshel Homes. Like this video, share this video, and click the bell notification so you can get notified immediately we go live. Thank you once again, Ms. Jemima.
Thank you so much.
Happy to have you today. And I'm sure you had fun in this episode. If you have any questions, please drop a comment in the comment section, or you can call any of our customer lines that is showing on your screen right now. Do also visit our website at www.mshelhomes.com. Until I see you in the next episode of the Mshel Real Estate Show, it is bye from me and bye from
Ms. Jemima. Bye. Thank you.